All right, we have this one wired up and with the radios in them. Programmed them last night. They got this trench. It was nothing but rock, but they got that one in there. As you can tell, this one here was nothing but rock under there. As you can see, a little trail of rocks. We had to use reinforcement to get that out of there. But now we got this one and this one done and that one done. Now we're getting into the main box to terminate all the wires. And light them up. All right, we've got the new CPE up, the new AP. Now we'll come out here and see what kind of speeds we're going to get. Let's see. It's getting ready to, it's not dark that way, but I hear thunder. Where's the black clouds at? The dark and all. Oh, kind of a little that way and that way. Now that'd be a good screen background. Ah, yeah. I don't know if it'll do it. Yeah, I got me a background now. Yeah, got me a desktop background now. Let's see what we can do. Hadn't really aligned it, but it's like -44 both directions. I think one way it's -44, the other way is -47, so I don't think it needs much more alignment. Let's see. All right, we've got internet. Let's see what Wi-Fi man will do. $180, $185, $186, $188, $194, $96, $95, $97. I think I got enough. That's better than 5 out here. Yes, sir. Prism boy, no joke. Let's see, let's try that again. Hit F5 and see if we can break that 200. 195, 192, 214, 215, 16, 17. I think I got enough out here. That's over 2/3 of my full backhaul speed that I actually get myself here. I get 300 and I'm getting 200 something here. I think this will do. And I'm going to have to test one of these sites here. I just got to. Ooh, focus, focus, focus. There we go. All right, now I got this Wi-Fi actually on. Now I'm going to test it. It's number 8. Yeah, D8. And you see D8 in here is actually on. And this is from the CPE that's feeding the site right here. Jumps over here to here. And this is the one I just turned on. And I just logged into that one wirelessly. And I'm going to do another speed test and see what it does. Now the maximum the thing can do is 100. And I'm about 5-6 feet away from it. Let's redo it again. See if we can break that 60. There we go. Wi-Fi man seems like on the first try don't get a max. You just hit again in the middle of it testing the download and it does better. I don't know why, but it does. And the highest package I have available is, I think it's 60 megabits per second down. So this is more than enough to feed, even if somebody wants to get the big package. But very few people get that after they realize they don't need a lot of speed to feed the TVs, because each TV in 720, usually what they run, even if it's 1080, you're looking 5, 6, maybe 7 megs. So most people will get the 10 megs or 20 megs down, and that's more than enough for them to stream. So if everybody gets to 20, and I got like 10, 11 here, so that's just a little bit over 200, and you see I got more than that. But that means everybody has to be maxing theirs out 100% at all the time, and that's not going to happen because not everybody's here, and not everybody, even if they were, they're not going to use the internet to the max. So I have no problem of getting internet here at all. Let's go to speedtest.net and see what it does. See what kind of ping we get. A good old 31 ping. So most people are going to get 20, and it's doing 40, you know, right at 40, and a little bit more on the other app, Wi-Fi man. Just to show how good these little nanos are, I'm going to see the distance. I'm going to walk out to the water and see how good it is. Alright, there's the box that we all connected up, me and my son-in-law over there. I'm grateful for his help because I wouldn't got them trenches done as quick as we did today. But let's go see what this Wi-Fi does, because this is the box, and I'm going to walk over here and see what kind of speed I get. Now this is the RV that it will be feeding if they get internet, is this one. But I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to sit down and see what kind of speed I get if they want to come out here. I can't even see the box, so I don't even have a line of sight. So let's see what we get. Let's try this again. What kind of speed I get from here. Now that's where it's at. Way over there, around that corner right there. And I'm gonna get now the radio is not really a line of sight. It got the RV in the way, but 5 up, 5 down basically. Let's see, that's 3. Let's see if it gets better if I actually get from the RV. But still, 3 down, that's still enough to stream video and check your emails and stuff like that outside. But it's made and designed to work inside the RV. Now you can actually see it. Let's do this again. Let's see what we get when we actually can see the box. Still the ping 30s. Look at there. Look at there. Let's see if we get that RV out of the way. Look at there. 80. And just to see where that box is, that box that I'm getting internet from is right here. And that's where I was. It's right out there. So yeah, I think I can deal with that kind of speed from that distance. Let's see what will happen if I get on the other side of the RV. Let it go directly through the RV and see what it would do. see what kind of speed we get. All right, this is standing on the other end of the RV with the AP. Have to go through the RV. Still 32. Going all the way through the RV. It's 5. Not bad. Because inside it'll be a lot better. So far, every RV I've done this with, I always got the speed that they are actually paying for inside the RV. Access point. Speed test. It looks like it is a success. Looks like it's going to work. It's getting the speeds that I need. So let's lock this bad boy up. I'm going to go home, man. This is a successful day. Let's see if I can get this lock on one hand with all these keys in my hand. Nice. I hear that thunder and get out of here. All right. Yep, looks like it's going to work. Shut my laptop down and I am putting on cruise and I am getting out of here. So we are good to go. Let me turn this breaker off because I don't need it on because they don't have internet. Let's see. This is what it looks like in the, if you've never seen one, it looks like in an RV park power supply for the RVs. You got 3 breakers. I think this is like a 40 or 50 amp here, maybe a 60, depends on what they have, the breaker and all. But you have like your high one here. I do believe this is actually 220, and this one is like a 30 and it's actually 115. And then you got your regular GFI, which we're going to kill that, as you can see. Kill that one. That's all they have to do is turn that breaker on, tell us that, hey, we have somebody in D8 that wants internet. I say turn the GFI breaker on so I can have access to it in the studio and I can set them account up and get them running. We have all these out here now available, all 11 of them, 6 on this side, 5 on that side. So we finally got this done. Now we still got to get these 3 out here tied on to the new system. Maybe I'll email each one of them and see when they're going to be here and get the passwords, because I can't remember what they are, because I asked them what password they wanted at the time. It's a regular router. It's not Ubiquity, so I have no access to it. And remotely set that password into the router, the nano switch outside, or nano M2, to the same thing, and everything should connect, because it'll never know the difference. And come up here and get everything disconnected and take out the radios. Take out this radio here, get them connected, which is the RV behind me. And then I got one here, which does not have a good connection whatsoever, but well, this is the good one here because I can see the antenna here. This one still has it, but get them connected to their box, which is this one, which is D7. If I had time, I would do it now, but it's just getting too late. I'll email them and find when a good time to come up here and do it. Come up here, take this system I got temporary out, get them connected to this one, turn it on, and take this equipment and put it in another location in another RV park that somebody's waiting for internet, and do the same thing on these. But right now, I'm going home. You ready to go home? No? Well, you can stay, but you can put up 5 boxes and you'll be done. You'll be done before I get home. So, nope, I'm going home. Peace.